my name is Chris Nally. I'm the sales manager for Cloacina, and today I'm going to give you a quick tour of a newly completed Mempac I Industrial Membrane Bioreactor. I'm going to take you through the plant as the water flows. What I cannot show you today is that we also provided a duplex lift pump station. The pumps are controlled and monitored by the MCC on the Mempac unit. Processed waste flows through this integrated 2mm screen. Screen wastewater flows into the first treatment process. Screenings will fall into a trash can. This system includes a wash bar and local disconnects. The first process in the system is a high-rate roughing filter. This is a attached growth process with cross-flow media suspended above a liquid storage basin. The storage basin is aerated and processed wastewater is recirculated continually over the attached growth media. In this basin, we are monitoring level and pH. Should pH fall out of range, below 6.5 or above 8, we will inject reagent into the distribution header to bring pH back within range. The primary system is to remove the bulk of the BOD. Winery wastewater can have a BOD on average of 7,000 milligrams per liter. We're trying to reduce that by as much as 80% in the primary treatment to improve the quality of our secondary process and reduce sludge production. Primary effluent discharges into the secondary process through an automated valve. The secondary process is activated sludge. In this process, we are aerating the activated sludge and mixing it while monitoring dissolved oxygen and mixed liquor suspended solids to ensure the best conditions are met. A forward activated sludge pump transfers activated sludge to the membrane chamber where there is a dedicated membrane cassette. The membrane cassette is also being aerated. Permeate is drawn through the membrane unit and discharged into an effluent clear well. Return activated sludge flows back into the aeration process. The membrane cassette is cleaned automatically on a routine schedule set by the operator. Effluent stored in the clear well is pumped back through the membrane cassette, and the operator is allowed to select either sodium hypochlorite or citric acid to inject to clean the membrane surface and interior. During normal forward flow operation, treated effluent will flow from the clear well to sanitary sewer disposal. This is a winery treatment system, which means it is agricultural waste. So this water can be utilized for on-site irrigation without disinfection. This is going to a university, so there's a little bit more in the way of safety equipment and sound attenuation on this system. This is a sound attenuated blower cabinet and it holds all 3 process blowers for the system related to the membrane, the primary treatment, and the secondary treatment. This is a stainless steel cabinet. It's air cooled. The gauges are on the outside and there's a single door that I've already removed so that the maintenance man can get in and out of this unit easily. Here you can see all the equipment is installed on the wall of the system, which gives the maintenance man and the operator plenty of room to get in and off of the equipment skid. They can access all the installed equipment, sensory monitoring equipment, and even factory installed sample ports that we put in. Here we have our pH correction components and our membrane cleaning chemical pumps. Again, university installation, so we have factory installed secondary containment on both the chemical pumps and the chemical lines, as well as locks on all the chemical pumps to prevent any unauthorized personnel from accessing them. As I said, this is going to be utilized by students in the programs, so we want to make sure that everything is safe and that it meets their protocols. So you can see we have all the double-blinded chemical lines here. At the end down here, we have integrated recirculation pump for the primary process, as well as a small blower for the integrated sludge storage chamber. So from the secondary process, we are monitoring the mixed liquor suspended solids, and we are automatically pooling waste activated sludge and discharging it into a monitored integrated sludge storage chamber that is aerated to ensure that the sludge remains fresh and we get no odors from this system. Our last stop on the tour is our motor control center, or our electrical panel. The panel is stainless steel, air conditioned. It has HOA switches on the internal wall, a master kill switch. This is the touchscreen computer that will be preloaded with the control system and is remotely accessed on the operator's tablet, phone, or desktop computer. We also have the liquid line controller analyzer on the outside of the panel. So the operator does not have to actually open the electrical panel to to make changes to the system. Inside the panel, we have all Allen Bradley breakers, controls, and VFDs on this system, so the operator can interact with the necessary components without having to have the certification to open the electrical panel. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. If you would like more information on Cloacina or this Mempac I 5,000 gallon per day industrial system, please visit us at cloacina.com and be sure to follow us on social media.